Hey, we're at South Beach just partying it up like it's 1984, dudes. Just partying it up. We just got our sunscreen on.
We got our babes.
We got our shades. We're gonna just get in this water. Playing it now. Hey, bird. This is Lou Connor. He's new.
From the Oceanic 6.
We do a vlog every day.
Every single day in this month.
We're just vlogging every single day, just putting a ton of very important footage up online for everybody to see.
Yeah, I haven't uploaded my yesterday video yet because just didn't have time.
Yep.
We had a lot going on last night. That was fun.
It's real good stuff.
It's just so important.
Camera be camera. Alright, go get in the water. Go run down there, get in the water.
Jason, go run.
Go run down there in the water, Jason.
They're taking a girly picture.
Oh, that's pretty cute.
Those are our babes. For this day.
Let's take a picture.
You guys all do something awesome?
Yeah, we're taking a picture.
Did I just wreck this picture?
Luke just wrecking things since 07.
Whoa!
Alright, who's the cutest girl? Leave that.
Can I just have a picture first? That's not funny. People will ever do that.
I know. That's funny.
Alright, no, who's the ugliest girl? Leave it in the comments below.
Jason, go run down to the water. Go run, Jason, run down. Run down there.
Sandals are coming off.
Here we go.
What is going on? Never take the phonetic. Just taking one picture. Dodgeball?
We're playing catch. Oh, Luke caught it. Christina dropped it.
Oh my god. I don't know where you're trying to go. That was a party.
Helicopter. Hey, so we are just leaving the beach now. We had such a fun day. Just went out in the ocean over here. Did some ocean stuff. Played with our floaties. And then we did a little beach volleyball because Alex got a ball.
That's my boom.
Cool stuff. So good day. Good job, Miami. Good job, us.
Woo.